Hello students, today we are going to configure EIGRP. Okay, EIGRP protocol we will take. So this is the EIGRP configuration, and we will take here two routers. Here the router is 2811, two routers we will take. Okay, and we'll go for the switches. Two switches also I will take. That is a switch PT. Okay, that is named as here generic switch, and we will take a 4 PCs we will take here. Okay, so now we will give the connections. So I am just taking the automatic connection, so it will automatically select the proper connection from one device to the other device. So no need to worry. If you want to select the connection, you can select the copper straight through cable as well. So you have to select the fast Ethernet and connect it to the switch. Okay, then again switch to the router, again a switch to the router, that is also copper straight through cable. And when you are using the connection between router to router, that will be a crossover cable. Can you see this crossover cable? You can see. So now we will give the IP addresses. I'm not deleting PC0 over here, just let it be like that. 192.168 dot some 10 network we will take, that is 10.2. Okay, then the other PC also, the other PC, these two PCs are in the same network, 10.2 and 10.3 I will take. Okay, I'll just move like this. Okay, now this PC, for example, this PC I will take, that is 20.2. Okay, and the last PC I will take as 20.3. Okay, 20.3. 20.3. Fine. So these are all the labels which I have given for all the PCs. Now we will see what kind of an IP address we need to give for the router. Here the router address will be 192.168 10.1, because that is the router address, and this one. Okay, this link, and one more, this router address will be 192.168 20.1, right? So fine, so these are the labels, and this is one network and this is another network. Clear? So in between the routers there will be some another network will be available, so that I will configure 192.168 dot for example 50.2 I will take. Okay, so this is a 50 network, my dear. Now this link address is 192.168 50.3 we will take. Okay, that is this link address. Clear? So all the labeling is done. Now we are going to configure all the devices here. So go for the PC. Okay, go for the PC, go for the desktop, and here 192.168 10.2, right? Sorry, 192.168 10.2. Okay, so then here 192.168 10.1. Clear? Configuration for PC0 is done. Go for PC1. Okay, PC1 configuration, go for the desktop here 168 10.t, your subnet mask, and dot 10.1. Okay, that is a gateway. Clear, all of you? Now go for the next PC, that is a PC2. Clear? PC2, go for the desktop IP configuration here 192.168 20.2. Clear? So that is your subnet mask. Then 192.168.20.1. Clear? Fine. So go for the last PC. Go for the last PC. 20.3. Then subnet mask. Then Okay, so this is the configuration for all the PCs have done. Good. Now go for configuring the routers. So before going to see the router configuration, you have to mouse over it, and you have to check what port connect is connected to that router. So this is F00 and here is F01. So go for this router 0 and go for config. F00 is, okay, F00 is 192.168.10.1, that is a 10.1 network, and port status must be on, and 01 will be 192.168.50.2. okay my dear, 50.2, then port status will be on. So router address is also configured. Now go for this router, the same, this is 00 and this is 01 address. So go for the config. 00 will be 192.168.20.1, right? Then port status on. Then 01 will be 192.168.50.3. okay, then port status on. Clear? So see here, all the green lights are appear over here. So here there is orange light, it is appearing. So just wait for some time, it will take some time to connect. The network will be active. So now I'll just check whether these two systems are working. Yes, see, can you see the successful? And from here, this system to this router, yes, it is also successful. And now we will check from this PC to this PC, the 20 network is also good, and from 20 network to this router, that is also successful. Now I just check from 10 network to this router. Can you see this is failed, right? So why? Because we didn't configure yet. So 10 network to 20 network, even that is also failed. Now we will configure the EIGRP connection. So go for the router 0. You have to make some extra configuration over here for routers, that is the CLI. So make enter, just type exit. So we will start over. Now here, when it will come, you have to press en, that is nothing but enable. You can write the complete enable, you can write that short form is enable. Then you have to configure the terminal. So conf t you can write, okay, that is a configuration terminal short form, or you can write configuration terminal complete words also you can write, not a problem. Now you have to make the interface, that is F00 interface you have to make. Clear? In that interface you have to give the IP address. So IP address will be, okay, what is the IP address? 192.168.10.1 to, until the subnet mask, 255.255.255.0. Clear? Then we are just giving no shut command. Then you have to now go for the router and enable EIGRP. So give the number as 10. You can give any number, you can check it, the range from what number to what number you can give. So I'm just selecting the 10 over here. And then here you have to give the network. Okay, what will be the network address for the 10 network, my dear? That is 192.168.10.0. Clear? 0 network. Then you just make exit. Okay, so first what I have done here, the network sorry, interface F00 we have done. Okay, now for the same router, one more network is available here, right? So that you have to do, that is interface F0/1. Clear? In that again you have to write IP address, that is 192.168.50.255.255.255.0. Clear? Then you have to give no shut command. Clear? Then again router EIGRP 10, the same number. Then you just after that, okay, so see here, EIGRP, then you have to give the network, right? Network 192.168 what is the network address for 50 network? That is a 50.0, right? 50.0. Clear? Then you just make exit. Alas. So this one is a configuration for router 0 in CLI is done. That is a command line interface. Okay, we need to go for command line interface of router 1. So go for here, go for the command line interface, my dear. Go for the command line interface. You just make exit. Okay, exit everything. Then it is already enabled, so conf-t, that is a configuration terminal. Then you have to write the interface, yani activate the interface, that is F00. Here also the same interface, right? And then here you have to write a IP address, that is 192.168.20.1, right? 20.1 2 that is subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Clear? Then just give the command sudo shut. Clear? Then we have to configure the router, router router EIGRP 10. Clear? Then you have to write the network address. Network will be, what will be the network? 192.168.20.0, right? So now exit from this. Then you have to enable another interface, that is interface F 0/1, no, F 1/0, interface F. Okay, I just make it INF here, so that is the mistake, or integer F0/1 only, my dear. Okay, good. Now IP address for 01 network is 192.168.50.3, right? 50.3 subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Then just give the command no shut. Clear? Then router, the same configuration what we have done for the first router, the same you have to repeat over here. So router EIGRP. Okay, then you have to give the network. Very good. Network, that is 192.168.50.0, right? So see here, can you see this is a dual, yani one. So see, I will show you the network over here. So here also we have give 50.0, and here also we have give 50.0. Means same network is working in the two routers. Clear? So you can make exit now, no problem. Now we will check. Okay, we will check whether the system is working or no. Okay, from here, any this is a 10 network to 20 network. So can you see that is a successful? Very good. Now 10 network PC to 20 network PC I will send. So okay, wait, it will come as successful because it will take some time to activate all the connections. So don't worry, again I will show you from 20 network to 10 network in any PC. Okay, okay, wait. Okay, from here to here, if you can see, that's a successful. From here to here, you can see that will be a successful. Understand, my dear? So this is how we are configuring EIGRP connection, EIGRP protocol configuration with two routers, two switches, and four PCs. Okay, I hope you understand. If you have any kind of a doubt, you can comment below. Okay, thank you so much, girls.